Good. All right. So, I don't know if you guys what you want to learn, but I would recommend touching VR Forces more. So, actually, let me go through and see what's in the agenda. Um, project video determining doc. That so the original time for this class was this would be the last day this week. That's what I think was proposed.
Can you repeat?
Yep.
What is the problem?
May actually this should be June. The original. This is the original.
Plan.
Yeah. So it would be day one, May 1st, May 2nd, May 3rd, May 4th.
But this not May, right?
Correct. Just ignore that. Then the next week, second week, would be day 5. So do you guys work Friday?
Yes. Do you work Friday?
Yeah.
Okay. We work on Friday too.
Okay.
So will you be here tomorrow?
Well, I don't know. I mean that I'm looking at the original schedule and everything, and it's Friday's not on here.
Anh Đạt có 8 ngày thôi, tôi chia làm 2 tuần. Vâng. Có thể ý là mỗi ngày đâu.
Đăng ký là 8 ngày, y 8 ngày sẽ là chia đôi ra là 2 buổi, tức là 8 buổi. 8 buổi.
Thế là buổi ngày mai là sẽ không giảng dạy ở trên trường này.
Tuấn, ngày mai Tuấn.
Mai không bảo là ngày mai là không có lịch ở trên đấy này.
Ôn đấy á?
Vâng. So,
Ngày mai có gì nhỉ?
so tomorrow is not on the schedule.
No. I don't know.
Để thì em sẽ phải là
Okay.
ngày mai nhận thứ 5 được.
This was given to me. This I didn't make this. This was given.
Okay, okay. Ông bảo là cái kế hoạch này nó nhận được thôi chứ ông không phải là người lên kế hoạch.
Ôn đấy á?
Anh à,
Đấy, thì em sẽ phải.
vâng em đây cái nội văn anh làm về công tác thường xuyên à?
But I think it's 4 days this week and 4 days the next week. But we could do 5 days this week, 3 days the next week. Does that make sense?
Thì anh chưa được.
Just let
Bây giờ
let
làm về
them
chuyên bản dân an.
decide. I'm not sure.
Chủ nhiệm Quang Minh bảo bây giờ một là làm dân mình, hai trở về thái, ba làm chung chiến đấu.
Yeah, I don't.
I don't know.
I just work here, man. So do you use AI at all?
AI.
Do you do anything with AI?
Oh yes, of course.
Okay, good.
We study with AI. I am studying what you call after the university. What is that called?
Undergraduate?
No, after the university, after the college, and you study higher.
You did,
Just
or me?
me. But
Yeah.
the English word for that. To remember the word.
Okay. I would call it undergraduate. Masters.
Yes. No, it's not master. Yes, master.
Yeah.
And after master is doctor, right?
Yep, you've got associate, bachelor, master, doctorate.
Yes, I'm studying for the master degree, so
Oh, nice.
I also using the AI in my study, in my homework, of course.
Nice.
But not nice cheating, but yeah,
It's okay.
why not?
I do think it is beneficial.
Mai có đi học không?
Just use replace all made to you.
Yeah, well, I'm thinking about that. I don't know why this was in May.
Is that supposed to be May?
Yeah. I don't know why. I guess this.
Maybe his contact since.
I don't want anybody in trouble though. So I think we should go. This should be week 2 would be down here. Day 5 would be the 5th.
Just let they have the call first. We don't. Anh, bây giờ anh hỏi thì quân như thế nào? Nghĩa là bây giờ lịch của ông ấy là tuần này chỉ dạy 4 buổi thôi. Tuần sau dạy 4 buổi. Đấy. Thì ý là bây giờ ông mà dạy 5 buổi thì tuần sau chỉ còn tao một buổi.
Để quân anh ấy, em phải hỏi ông là bây giờ tôi có một cái mô hình ngôi nhà và
Ý là vẫn chưa xong thì cái gì kể ra đấy.
thế này không em? Không tí nữa hỏi anh cái nội dung này em.
Vâng.
Là bây giờ là tôi có một cái mô hình ngôi nhà, ví dụ như tòa nhà này.
Vâng.
Tôi có các cái tầng ở trong tòa nhà này thì bây giờ làm như nào để cái nhân vật của tôi ấy có thể là đi lại thì giữa các tầng và các phòng ở trong tầng.
Tức là bây giờ làm thành cái nhà nhưng nó có nhiều tầng thôi. Tức là cái này thì không cần để ông sẽ nói em giải thích được. Tức là anh chỉ cần thiết kế các cái tầng đấy thành ngôi nhà một tầng, xong đặt cái ngôi nhà một tầng lên trên các cái ngôi nhà còn lại. Anh hiểu ý không?
Không, nhưng mà khi đưa vào thằng VRFox thì nó phải có những cái liên quan đến cái nội dung mà nó ví dụ như là nó phải có những cái setup gì đó ấy. Tại vì bình thường nhá, nếu như mà em làm một cái ngôi nhà nhiều tầng hay như của em nói là cứ mỗi tầng là em làm một cái em đặt lên trên đúng không?
Vâng.
Nhưng khi xuất ra ấy, thì cái đấy nó chỉ là dạng của một hình khối thôi.
Ý là anh muốn như kiểu trong game là bây giờ mình sẽ nhìn được cả các cái tầng riêng biệt.
Muốn đi lại trong đấy chứ.
Okay.
Ví dụ như mình chuyển đến Thái mình ở cái tầng 12 này đúng không? Vâng. Tòa nhà tôi có khoảng 3 tầng đấy.
Vâng.
Tôi muốn là tôi có thể đi lại được. Ví dụ đi cầu thang tầng 1 đến tầng 2, tầng 3 và đi vào trong các phòng của các cái tầng đấy.
Nhưng mà ý là anh chưa
có chứ, anh đang muốn là mình làm như game ấy.
Vâng.
Vấn đề là mỗi một thằng phần mềm nó sẽ có những ví dụ thằng V, thằng Anvin thì nó khác.
Vâng.
Thằng
đấy để em cái dịch. He already know how to make a house, but he want to know how to put a house model on the
Shape.
no on the terrain, but you can walk around the house like in game, like in GTA 5 or in some other games. Just so
Meaning a house that has an inside.
just have inside. They have floor, have table, have.
Yeah.
Yes. So for example, if in the battlefield the house burning, the guys on the 3rd floor, what should he do? Or the guy on the 2nd floor, what should he do? And the guy from the 20th floor, what should he do? Should he just jump down or what?
Yeah, we currently just have the buildings. We don't have the inside of the buildings.
Yet, or just
I would say now we have no plans to do inside the building, but so I showed you this yesterday.
Yes.
And this is like, let's look over here in this area over here. I'll just find a flat area.
Is that a volcano? This just went by.
This is an old crater. This is Ala Moana.
Oh.
The most beautiful thing back here is a waterfall It's all the way back. Maybe it's here. There's this giant waterfall that's comes from
I
the.
think just focus on the lesson or he will be that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna find a
Yes.
place to add buildings. So you can see here, there's buildings here.
He just don't. He just that the building. The building that you give him only have the square texture. It
Yeah.
doesn't have floor, so
Yes.
no animation on the floor, so they cannot figure out the.
Yeah. So they would have to add that.
Yeah, but
That's
he
something.
trying to.
So
He wonder how to make it. I just give him an example, but he said that not my work. That is
Okay.
making every single floor. So just add up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he said not working because the picture just coming in
So
square texture.
yeah, he would have to build like a building model and import it that way.
Yeah, but
Like that's
if can he import it
yeah, he can do that.
even in the inside?
Yeah.
To walk around.
Yeah. You know. We
Có đấy, không bảo là
but-
anh cứ
but we-
có cái mô hình mà có cả nhà có cả người ở trong thì anh cũng cho nó đi lại được bình thường mà. Có nghĩa là bây giờ cái mô hình nhà nhá thì nó đang chưa có ở trong, mình phải tự vẽ cái bên trong, nó giống như kiểu cái bài buổi học mình vẽ. Bây giờ anh phải là kiếm một cái mô hình nhà mà nó có được cái trong.
Cái đấy
Ý
thì
là-
đơn giản.
Thì đúng rồi, thì ý là ông bảo là anh chỉ cần áp vào cái
Hell with that.
cái là anh vẫn đi lại bình thường phải không thôi.
Cái gì nhỉ?
Rồi figuring out.
So those guys, Jesus.
Ta ở hậu này.
So yeah, so this doesn't have an inside.
Just so that's gonna be blank inside, right? If you walk past that, it'll be blank inside.
Yeah. I mean,
Does it make inside already?
yeah, so this has inside.
Can you come inside the house?
Yeah, give me a second.
Yeah.
I gotta figure it out.
Like you cannot go through the wall.
Yes, you can.
Why?
I can. Hold on. I gotta figure it out. I gotta go to the.
Ông ra xem cách để vào tòa nhà. Đây có một tòa nhà nó có sẵn cái phần bên trong đấy, nhưng ý là nó sẽ làm rất là sơ sài, là có sàn nhà thôi, nhìn qua cửa kính em
sàn nhà nhưng 2 tầng.
thì ý là nó 2 tầng nhưng ông chưa làm 2 tầng thì bởi vì kiểu cái nhà sàn nhà tức là nhìn qua cửa sổ nó mới có cái sàn nhà thôi.
So
Đấy, thì nếu như nó vào được trong nhà thì coi như là mình cũng sẽ làm được hết.
yeah, so I can do like a 5-story brick building.
Thì đấy là ý là mình cần phải cầu thang, mình sẽ cho nhân vật đi lên cầu thang thì được thôi. What about the stair physics?
Yeah, let me get in there and I'll figure it out.
He just want to know for sure if he can walk up the stair. That might be is that a problem?
I don't know. Let me check.
So he's
Yeah, this is definitely there's no inside here,
yeah,
but some buildings do have
like
outsides.
simple inside.
Yeah. This doesn't have any open doors. It definitely has inside.
No way to get inside.
There is a way. Just yeah, that doesn't look like it's gonna work either. Metal, got nothing inside it. We do have areas in.
I remember that you have table and chair inside the house too, right?
Yeah, so certain parts of the terrain are built up.
So
Furniture,
then we can make the house.
houses. That
Cái
doesn't
công
have
thì
it.
em bảo nó làm cái đấy ạ, làm cái cửa để đào thôi, còn mình nó cho đủ công cụ để mình làm hết tầng 1 tầng 2 tầng 3 mà
rất là
Và cái vấn đề là mỗi ở cái cầu thang này đi lên đi xuống không?
Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
The only major problem for him now is only the stair. How can we walk up and walk down the stair?
Yeah. You can do that. So watch this. File, new scenario. I'm going to go to Mock Earth Online. And we're going to do engage. And I'm going to go to range 220. Just bear with me. This is
Yeah. Anh công này, xem thử này. Ông ấy đang show cái gì, ông bảo show cái này.
loading.
Just
gần nhà
oh, there's the houses there. Oh, yeah.
trong này thì em thấy có gì có một cầu thang đấy, vấn đề là mình làm như thế nào để ngôi nhà ấy vào.
He want to know about the physics, how
Cách mình
we
làm.
know how to make the house, how to put the house on the terrain, and is
So it's
how to make the character.
it's a point.
Yeah.
I can designate it through a point.
Yes.
Tức là trong phần mềm này anh thấy là nó đi được. Bây giờ mình muốn mình làm được như thế.
Yes, he said that he want to create his own version of the house.
Yep.
Yeah, and the character can walk up the stairs.
Yes.
He doesn't know how
Yep.
the physics work to walk up the stairs, like train position. Right?
Okay. So let me. What I can do is Ala Moana. We could talk about that terrain,
Yes.
and that has what we call points. So I'm gonna put when engage. Give me a second. I'm gonna. There it is.
Wow.
So I think I broke his rifle. Look, there's the pickup box. I'm picking up a box. I'm this guy now.
Why you have? Okay. That's great.
Yeah. So all it's doing, if it's over a meter, so basically it looks and says it's under a meter, so I can clamp to it. And then if it's the next step under a meter, I can clamp. But if it's over a meter, I can't do anything with it. So I can't get out the window because that's a meter.
Nếu nó cao hơn thì ông không thể làm cái animation khác, kiểu nhảy cửa sổ các thứ. Cái đấy thì.
I think, let's see if I can get out. Oh, look, I've got steps. I got.
Just wait for it a minute. He will get the hard drive to get the house picture, and then yeah.
Okay, so he's
he
gonna
want
do
you
that.
to teach him how to make the physics work.
Yeah, I mean, he can do this, or he's got the exact same thing I've got.
Yes, but he don't know how to use. Like you just give us a gun and we don't know how to use, so that's useless.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, doing all these train stuff, I mean, it's you know, again, we're doing
Yeah, but
just bear with me. So so it's a configuration where you put those files down, but if he's going to add a new one, it might be, you know, to get a bond involved in that, to have that loaded. In Ala Moana, there is a file that we can point to that basically says, here's a house, here's the center of the house, here's the orientation of the house. And these are exactly the same way. So all these houses here are the same way. They just have steps on them. And so I can climb up all these steps.
is that just the picture or the way you create the stair is
It's transparent.
just a line, just
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's,
straight line.
if it was any steeper, I couldn't get up on it.
Yes. So there is gonna be no step, only the
Yeah. So
line go up.
yeah, so let's see if I can change my camera view. Oh shoot.
Like 3D camera. You know?
Yeah.
What is that? Oh,
See,
I understand. I understand.
yeah. So that's a transparency.
It look like you're going up the stair, but actually you're just going up the straight line.
Well, I'm actually going up the stairs. So each polygon is a stair. So watch, I'm going.
So
Watch, I'm going to go forward.
oh, that's up down, up down.
Yeah, I'm just going down each step. See, I'm on this step. I'm going to go forward a little bit. I go to the next step. So it's like,
Oh, and one more thing. When you get the information about the military stuff or of the
like what? The reticle and stuff?
no, like the other thing, how many ammo or how many
It's on the internet.
or on the internet?
Yeah. Yeah. So I would just go on the internet and something like this, they, Jesus, M4.
I'm woman with that.
Oh, I don't know. Man, wild stuff.
Anh không nghe rồi chứ vậy?
So this is all public information.
Yes.
And so what we do is, it might not seem great and everything, but it's Colt, you know, this
You will
is
copy the name.
the millimeter, the rounds,
It's only
rounds
700
loaded
meter,
magazine.
$700.
Jesus.
So cheap.
Yeah.
Cheaper than
Yep. So 30 rounds loaded magazine. The range, like I could find the range of the rounds.
Oh.
So watch this. I'm going to click here, and that's that. And you know, their distance, their lethality. Like there's all this information out there. You just look for it. So that's it. So,
Let me explain for you on the stair. Anh Công ơi, cái phần cầu thang á, anh đang không đi lên được hay là như thế nào hay là như thế? Vẫn là công cụ của nó đúng không? Ý là cái cầu thang nó không đi lên được à? Ông ấy bảo là cái thằng nhân vật nó không có khả năng đi lên. Nó không có khả năng đi lên. Nên cái cầu thang của nó thực chất, bản chất của nó là một cái đường thẳng như thế này. anh hiểu không? Cái cầu thang nó không phải là từng bậc thang lên lại, bởi vì như thế này nó khác biệt về độ cao. Đây này nó không phải là đi từ dưới này lên trên này, thì nó khác biệt về độ cao. Cái tấm này cũng phải nằm trên một mặt phẳng vậy, nó là cái cách đó là cái tấm của nó là tấm phẳng này này, chỉ là cái texture của nó là cái hình thang thôi. Nó đi lên cái cầu thang theo kiểu là tấm phẳng, chứ không phải đi lên theo kiểu là.
So watch this. So
Yeah.
I'm
Đây này,
here.
anh công đây. Đấy.
Watch. So I can step up on this, and all it's doing is clamping.
What do you mean? You can climb or you can't?
I can.
Oh.
Can climb. So watch this. So I'm there. Oops, sorry.
Nè.
Ơ.
Damn.
Thì anh ơi, bảo thấy có
That's
một ngôi
crazy.
nhà này, bảo đấy,
So I can climb up here. Look, I'm up here, and then I can. You might not be able to get there.
Yeah, because that is too high.
Oh, yeah, there we go. So I figured it out. But if it's close, I can do it. So I probably can't get up on these barrels. Oh, did I get up there? I did.
No, you didn't.
I didn't. No, I didn't. You're
You
right.
just walk through the barrel.
Yeah.
Not,
Yeah. I can't get up on it.
Okay, so he got a 3D texture over there. Can you try to put it in your terrain and make it make the character go up the stair?
I could try. It's not really my expertise, but what I could do is, man, I hope they stop doing that. That's loud. Wait, so just give me a second.
Đây, có thương người đi.
Đấy thì ông ấy bảo ông ấy thử cái đấy.
Give me a second. So you keep it there,
Anh cứ để ở đấy.
and I'm gonna show you something.
Oh.
Yeah. Man. That's some loud squealing.
Just testing the mic, the microphone.
Okay. So we're gonna go into the shared data 19 terrain data, terrain configuration.
Đấy, anh cứ xem.
So I'm gonna look for find dot shape. So this is an area, structures, and then we've also got area point. So this is features. So we're going to look at this file here. So he needs to add a file like this. So I'm going to find this file.
Anh cần phải có một cái file structure để kia này.
But P is for point.
Yeah.
P is for point.
Mình có thể đặt được vào đấy mà.
I
Anh sẽ
think
đưa
that's
vào
it.
bảo ông là anh sẽ đưa vào trong đây là pop đưa vào anh.
All right, so I'm going to go in here. I'm going to go into train data. Train data. Train Hawaii features. And then we're going to look at this file here. We're going to edit this. Shit. I thought we could edit this file. Damn it. Points. Let's look at the area one.
I think you should wait a minute because he's still trying to copy the terrain for you.
It's okay. Yeah, once I find it, I'll. Yeah, I'd rather him do it on his side. So if I do it here, it's going to leave with me. I want him to do it. Point shape file. Okay, so let me load that other Q.
Vấn đề đang là gì ấy? Đang không đi lên hay là
đây anh tạo ra một cái nhà đây rồi. Anh xem bảo đây là pop và anh xem cái phần mềm cho nó sẽ ở.
All right. See if I can grab these. So these are point files. So check this out.
Ông đang chưa anh sẽ yêu luôn trực tiếp luôn.
He wants you to look at it.
You what?
He cannot explain the problem with me.
Okay. Yeah, let me.
I cannot translate it to.
That's okay. I'm gonna try to get him what he wants. I think I know what he wants.
Yeah,
So just bear with me. Home, cloud, structure, remove layer, collapse all, expand all, geo package. I'm trying to find how these points are defined because each
point.
each point represents a house.
Okay, can you show him on?
Yeah, I got to find it here. So just give me a second. So give me a second. I have to find how this is done. So just bear with me. Tiles. Because each one of these guys is a feature, and structure.
Why the map is not loading yet?
Well, I didn't load the map. I only loaded the shape file. So I could do something like this and load, like if I just look for dot shape, see all these, this is the lights, naval, pedestrian crosswalks. So watch, I'll take this pedestrian crosswalk, I'll bring it in, and wherever that is, there they are. So these are the pedestrian crosswalks.
Bảo là tôi có thằng người đến thế này và tôi có tòa nhà như này, tôi muốn đi lên được cái cầu thang này để lên tầng 2. Đây đúng không?
He got the soldier already. He got the on the terrain already.
Excellent.
Now he want the soldier to move up the house.
Okay. So go like this. File, file, scenario properties. Okay.
In the engage,
It's set it. Is it engaged?
yes.
Is his set to engage?
Anh chuyển sang thành chế độ engage luôn.
Không, cái này cái SOE là mình có thể mình tự build anh không
Anh tự tạo ra một cái SOE mới dựa trên cái entity.
He already creating an new SOE
Okay.
on the entity.
entity.
On the base entity.
Yeah, I think for you to control that character, it's got to be engaged.
Nếu anh muốn điều khiển cái nhân vật thì anh phải engage.
Yeah, just.
Bảo ông là bây giờ có thể tạo nhiệm vụ cho nó mà.
Can he make the command for the soldier that to move up the
Yeah,
house
yeah, he can do
without
that.
using the engage?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so
he would need to do something like this.
đấy, ông hiểu ý anh rồi, ông đang chỉ cho anh.
He would need to say.
Có thể tạo nhiệm vụ cho nó này nhưng mà đấy nó đi thẳng lên như này. Nó xảy ra cái tình trạng nó đi đâm qua cái tòa nhà đấy.
Is it working?
The problem is he just walked through the house.
Yes.
He
Yeah.
faced through the house.
Yeah. How did you import that? Did you import it as terrain or as a prop?
Anh thêm cái đấy vào như là một cái terrain hay là một cái prop? What do you mean prop?
Terrain?
Object.
No, what?
Object. Okay, so an object will walk right through the object. It's got to be a part of the train.
What
I
you
think
mean from
by SOE
tôi nghĩ là file đấy anh thêm nó theo dạng nào định dạng
Yeah.
nào FBX
So yeah, so that is not a train. It's a building, but it's not train. So you have to you have to add it to.
bây giờ thế thì bây giờ cái đối tượng
đấy ông đang bảo nó đang không phải là terrain, nó chỉ là một object thôi, giống như một ô tô ấy.
nếu mà
So look.
có thể là tạo terrain được.
Ở đây okay, so he will try to make the terrain.
Okay, so train editing tool.
Terrain thì nó khi mà mình tạo nó ra thì nó sẽ vào group mà.
There it is. So featured layer.
Cái này feature layer.
Yeah. So you'd add terrain or shapefile. So you kind of need to build it. So if you just add a object,
Yes.
somebody will just pass right through it. So it has to be part of the train.
Like the hull have to be part of the terrain.
Yeah, so that has to be a part of the train. It can't just be an object. So let me
Cái nhà này của anh nó đang chỉ là một cái object thôi, nó như kiểu một cái ô tô thôi, nên người ta mới có thể đi qua nó. Bây giờ để biến cái nhà này thành một cái
yeah, let me
mặt địa điểm trên mặt phẳng.
Đây rồi, đây rồi, một địa điểm trên mặt phẳng đây. Chính là nó đây.
Crop đây đúng rồi, đây.
Crop đây.
He already put it in crop.
what?
Like if the terrain is not an object.
So that's not a train. That's an object. That is another character.
Yes, I understand. Ông ấy đang bảo đấy không phải cái terrain, đấy nó chỉ là một cái vật thể khác thôi. Like what he want to know what define a terrain and what define an object, so the character can walk up the terrain.
Yeah.
Mình muốn
Đấy thì em đang hỏi ông là làm thế nào để biến cái nhà, định dạng cái nhà này là một cái terrain,
Yeah,
nó không phải một cái object, bởi vì hiện tại nó đang định dạng là một cái object nên là cái thằng nhân vật mới đi xuyên qua được. Yeah,
so that has no that is going to run really fast. It's going to have no collision whatsoever. For it to be the train, he needs to add it through here, or he's got to add it through a shapefile. So this is what I was saying.
Để nó thành một cái.
See these points?
Yes.
Each one of these points is a building.
Yes.
And the train loads it.
Oh, so it
through a
has to be
shapefile.
on the point of the map.
Correct. So he's got to like you can put it there as an object, but everything's going to walk through it.
Anh ơi,
But
nếu anh chỉ để ở trên bản đồ thì nó sẽ là một cái object bình thường mà có thể đi xuyên qua được. Ý ông ấy bảo là bây giờ anh phải tạo ra cái điểm, cái point là điểm trên bản đồ, và đặt cái này ở trong cái file bản đồ đấy, tức là khi loát cái điểm đấy để loát cái tòa nhà này, hiểu không? Thì cái điểm đấy nó sẽ cố định ở cái đấy, thì lúc đấy nó mới được định nghĩa là một terrain, chứ không phải định nghĩa là một object.
Here's a quick way. He needs to do this. Listen to me. Listen. You're going to add a terrain patch. Add terrain patch.
Okay.
It's an FBX, right?
Yes. FBX.
Yep. So you need to load this.
Okay.
You need to go view, terrain editing panel. You got that open, right?
Okay, so
cái này nó là một cái đối tượng ấy rồi.
Vâng, đấy chỉ là một object chứ nó không phải. Đây ông đang hướng dẫn nha, là muốn. Should he give you the file? So
no, he's got it right there. He can do it all right there.
Yeah, but also like put it in the record. Okay.
I don't know. I mean, I want him to do it. If he does it, he's going to learn it.
Yeah.
So is he able to? Can you see if he's able to get this up?
The what? the add terrain.
View terrain editing panel.
Add terrain. Okay. Okay, he's already at the
Okay.
and what
Okay.
is the next step?
So this is the origin. Where do you want it to be?
Đấy là địa điểm anh muốn đặt nó. Có đặt nó ở đâu?
So
What should-
geocentric, flat Earth.
Đấy, đặt trên Flat Earth.
Yeah, I mean, you tell me wherever you want it.
Trên Flat Earth.
So
Anh chọn địa điểm
so watch. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say create waypoint, place that, and this waypoint is going to give me a geocentric location or a and I could do something like this. Settings, display, and
Can you slow down a little bit?
yeah. Settings, display, and then we're gonna go here, and we're gonna look at, let's see, 3D settings. Open this up a little bit. Give me a second. I need to find this. Bearing measured, coordinate system, lat long, geocentric. Do you see that? Coordinate system geocentric. Under this right here. Right here.
Application setting. Okay, we change to geometry.
Okay. So now look.
Giờ một cái tọa độ của mình xem bây giờ.
Okay, thế thì một cái để geometry không?
Geocentric.
Từng cái sensor view thì vẫn để
Đúng không?
Rồi
Okay.
kéo cái ra để cái kia nó sẽ hiện thông số.
Yep.
Ô, kéo
No,
cái ra góc.
there you go.
Đấy.
There's your geocentric.
Okay, so we should put in X, Y, Z.
Yep.
What is that? This one.
So XYZ, and you got to put a comma in between.
Do we need to type it by hand?
No, you can do this. Watch.
He said he cannot copy.
Copy. It's not going to do it. Paste.
See, not working.
No, it's not doing it. Sorry.
Đây ông mà nó không có được đây.
Oh, okay. Give me a second.
So he have to delete all of that in order to copy the.
Yeah, the what?
He have to delete all of the 000 to
Oh, for it to work?
to type in.
Oh, that's
Only type in, not
stupid.
yeah. So now we have to delete all of that just to get the X. No, hang on.
Yeah, it doesn't even work. Okay, that's terrible. That's a bug.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sau này thì để cái bạn thông số cái kia copy nhanh nhanh nữa để tắt đi. Để nó gọi nó cho nó.
And it's truncating there.
Đấy cái chọn cho 2 điểm.
Yeah, it's not giving me anything beyond that. Oh, there we go. -4. Okay.
Okay, we got the coordinate.
Okay.
Okay, you can try it.
Yeah.
You think okay?
Yeah. Look at that. Did it do it?
We just add the coordinate and then what should we do?
Yeah, what should show up where he placed it.
Okay.
Yeah, wherever he placed it. So it wasn't on the ground. Yeah, it wasn't on the ground. That was the problem.
Oh.
What's going on?
He doesn't know what is going on. He doesn't understand why it's not.
Well, his waypoint was in the air, wasn't it? The waypoint.
What do you mean the way?
So did he put a waypoint on the ground for it to look
Yes. And now he said the terrain is
gone?
gone.
Nó mất luôn cái tên.
No longer there, only the structure there.
Okay. And he did terrain patch?
Yes.
Okay.
Terrain phát rồi.
Yeah.
Should he reload the scenario?
Yeah, don't save the terrain. Yeah, don't save it. Just go here and go file, terrain, close terrain.
So we have to put the thing again.
Yeah, I mean, this may not be the right way. I'm kind of guessing at what this needs to do, but that seems like it seems like the right thing to do.
Rồi, thực ra nếu mà mình đang nhìn cái đấy thì anh đang
Can you show him the way?
Yeah, I'm working on that, dude. Like, that's what I've been trying to do here. So I need to find how these are defined. And once I do that, I'll tell you how to do it. But the best thing to do is to go into the appearance, the alamoana.earth file, wherever that went.
In fact, it couldn't readable.
No. I can read it. I can read it. I can read it with this. Remember the programs I told you to download?
Which is
Yeah. So that's what this is. These are shape files. Yeah. Yep. So these. Yeah. So if I wanted to add this, yeah. So just give me a second. I'm gonna try to find out where this stuff is.
Không, nhưng bây giờ là ví dụ mình muốn thêm một cái nhà mô hình ở một vị trí bất kỳ như này thì nó sẽ là cố định đã bố trí rồi. But tôi muốn thêm một vị trí bất kỳ như này.
Like he also want to know because that is permanent on the terrain, right?
Yeah.
And like it's not movable. But what about the movable house?
You won't have collision with it. It's not a terrain.
That's why he wanted to know.
Yeah, I mean,
Like,
sorry.
For example, you set up a.
Sorry, so this is how the terrain, these are how the terrain is defined. So I can do a house that moves around, but I won't be able to collide with it. But if I make it part of the terrain, then I can collide with it. It's how the collision works.
Tức là nếu bây giờ ông làm cái nhà mà di chuyển được thì không thể trèo lên trên cái nhà. Còn nếu mà cái nhà không di chuyển được thì cũng không thể trèo lên được. Thế nó buồn cười.
Fluid calculator.
Ta thì nếu như mà đến đâu
Features. Server. Yeah. So it's just like anything else. Like these are all part of the terrain.
So that means if you put the same house like that on the side, it's not gonna work, right? On a random spot, it's not gonna work. You cannot climb up the house.
If it's an object. So an object is an entity.
Yes.
So, but if it's part of the terrain,
Yeah,
so the terrain is one thing and an object is another. An object is an entity that moves around. So he's adding an object, and that object doesn't have all the collision. It has very basic collision, if it has any collision at all. So he needs to add a point to define where that lives.
And I still think you should have him on the example.
Well, I'm working on it. So you guys are not. You need to relax. You need to relax and give me a second so I could find it.
But panicked. I'm not panicked.
He's panicked.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Because we'll be able to find it. He's got to like give me a second to figure it out.
Anh em người người dắt.
Ok. Thực ra nếu mà anh lấy một ngôi nhà đây mà anh nhìn thì nó sẽ trở thành cái mà thành thành ở cái
So look at this right here.
Anh thử thêm cái nhà của ông ấy đi xem, nó vẫn chỉ là ở đây, nó vẫn chỉ là object thôi.
So look,
Anh thêm một cái nhà nào mà chỉ là object rồi đi qua.
see this right here?
Ờ,
These are the rotation, the length, the height. This is all the information in this file. And then this is the skyscraper 58-story concrete glass. These are all defined here in this file.
trong cái file kia thì thấy là địa chỉ của cái nhà đấy.
So I would look at how Ala Moana is built. Open attribute table. This is this. Each one of these is a point.
Okay. So we should get that app, right?
Yeah, you should get the app. It's free.
Anh còn không bảo hiện tại thì rồi. Ví
And
dụ như anh xem ở Moana thì nó sẽ có cái vị trí sẵn rồi. Anh thêm vị trí vào nó đơn giản hơn.
Có những vấn đề là sẽ không giải quyết được vấn đề mình tự cái điện thoại của mình.
Không, ý là cái thứ hóa là đây là thêm sẵn, tức là vào cái địa chỉ cái y mới này em đặt cái trường ở đấy,
Đặt cái boy
đặt cái coin số mới thôi, là mình áp thêm cái coin mới vào ở cái coin đấy thì mình có cái nhà của mình.
nhà những vấn đề cái nhà đấy ấy, đúng không? Đó. Thì
Không thì anh phải áp được cái nhà vào cái địa hình, tức là nó là thành địa hình cứng, thì địa hình cứng thì anh mới đi lên tầng được. Cái điều gì của ông biết
đi lên tầng rồi đi vào trong vậy.
vâng,
Vào trong
đi lên tầng ở đây là đi vào trong đấy, là nó phải là địa hình cứng chứ nó không phải là địa hình đặt tặng ở trên. Địa hình đặt tặng ở trên thì sẽ không thể di chuyển được, vậy nên bây giờ cái bước ông anh bảo anh lại phải tạo địa hình cứng, và để tạo địa hình cứng thì cái ứng dụng kia là đấy cho anh đặt địa chỉ nhà ở đấy, và cái địa chỉ đấy nó sẽ loát lên cái mô hình này, thì cái mô hình này ở đấy sẽ tính là địa hình cứng thì nó không di chuyển được. Đây là cái dịch của nó. Đây cái cứ bạn sẽ dạy đâu
Anh không tưởng được trong cái đấy anh có cái trong bộ cái có code làm sao để cái bộ cái online
yeah. Let me figure out how to do this, but I think I'm like right there. This is actually really easy.
Yes.
It's not hard.
Can you just add more?
Yeah.
Add more row
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, I could add a new row or whatever. But I gotta. The tool is free, so it's kind of.
It doesn't look like just like.
Editor, toggle editing mode. Yeah, so this is, I want to change that. Discard. And I think I just added a new one at the bottom, maybe. I'll have to figure this out, but this is very
I think that's
easy.
similar to Excel, right?
Yeah. It's the rotation and height and whatever for this, but I need to, how do I associate this with this? So that's selected that one. There we go. See how it's giving me information on that?
Yeah. I think
Select feature.
if that have the map under it, it's gonna be easier to
So
map in
there's
the background.
there's the coordinate.
Yes.
Well, I mean, I don't really care because I got this. This is my coordinate here.
Okay.
So like I can get a coordinate, put it in here. You know what I mean? Like I don't need to see the entire map.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
So this is what I would do. I would copy a shapefile or create a new shapefile and then define where that building needs to be. He needs to say, I want that building here. Define it.
Just like you did.
Yeah.
Waypoint. Okay.
And then
get the coordinate.
yeah. But it's not hard. This is very easy.
Yeah.
I probably need to play around with this because it's something I'm not 100% familiar with. It's just like, but I need to figure it out. Like I can't just make it happen. It's gotta, you take time to do it.
Anh làm video này. Anh chuối.
Coming, man. It's coming together. But let me poke around with it. But try to find that program. I think I have it here.
Bây giờ anh copy cho cái file đi của cái nhà đấy.
Nãy giờ ông mới đi. Rồi thì ý là ông muốn.
Ông muốn ạ.
Can you he just copy the house for you? Can you show him on?
Well, let me. Yeah, he can copy it, but I would like him to do it.
He will do it.
Yeah. But let me figure out how to. I got to do some magic on my side, so it'll take some time. This is where you need to go to get it. Okay. And then the other thing you need to look, see how this is Hawaii structures. So we need to go back to here, train configuration, alamoana.earth, and you're gonna open this up, and this is where this is defined. So you can see there's actually a shapefile with a point. And this is really easy. I mean, this is not hard at all. Oh, wait a minute. I think I got it. What's this?
Anh như này nó không cộng được đúng không?
I can't get that file. I can't put it on this machine. You can't put that on this machine. This machine will wipe that. This has I can't put that on my machine. It'll destroy it. Like I have security on this. I can't take it.
He will send you through email. Is that okay?
That's fine. Yeah, I just can't. I can't put a drive on this computer.
Like safe.
Yeah, I'll show you why. I think I mentioned this on the first day. There's so much Sophos, this Sophos, all these things will, X agent is X agent, like all this stuff will like wipe away everything on there. And then I have crowdsource.
Okay, so that I understand.
Yeah, I can't put stuff on my computer. So what I need,
everything, all the things that put in.
it will hold it and won't release it, and then it'll just wipe it. So I can't put it on there.
Is that a
So-
bad thing?
Well, I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
So, but the thing is, you guys need to be self-sufficient. You have to operate without me here. So the first thing you need to do is load alamoana.earth and look for this.
Thôi, đầu tiên ông đang làm thì cứ là thêm cái file cái file là cái nào là có cái có địa chỉ đã.
And then,
Có hướng dẫn.
so So we'll figure it out, but this is the way you do it. So this is a feature model here. These are your skyscrapers. This is the shape file where the points are. Model data structures plus features, properties plus text. There it is. It's in this file. MDT.
I already sent you the email. Can you check the email?
Yeah. Yep. But I want him to be able to do it. So here's the thing. If I do it,
Yes.
I do it. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. So, but
You
just
copy your step.
yeah, but I want us to do it together. So don't just like expect me to do everything, because if I do everything and I leave,
Yeah.
and I
He
get
understand what he want you to do,
yeah,
so we can copy your.
yeah, I got it. But here's the
Because
other
if
thing I
only
need.
explain, I have to explain everything to
I-
him, and he doesn't understand.
I got it. But here's the other thing I need to go through this and figure it out. But I want him to also
Yes.
follow along. So it doesn't. I don't have to have the model quite yet. I just need to find the process. You got it? Like
Okay, so what is the first step right now?
Yeah.
You got the app. PG, what?
the app is installed.
Yes.
Excellent.
Okay.
So now, as I said before, this needs to be opened.
Đầu tiên là mở cái file file one này.
Yeah.
Cái đường dẫn của nó kia. MK share data.
Ở đây làm luôn trên
Anh làm ông muốn anh làm luôn trên máy của anh ấy. Đánh rồi không phải anh làm.
anh bảo là không có chi phí từ anh đăng tải.
Không phải.
Đúng rồi, anh chọn cái đầu tiên, chọn đầu tiên. Anh chọn cái link đầu tiên đấy.
Đang phải chi phí.
Metadata structures.
Cái làm luôn trên cái này. Đăng tải
Từ nãy giờ ông ấy bảo là ông không muốn ông ấy làm cho anh xem một chút. Anh phải làm sao xong với ông ấy chứ không muốn ông ấy làm thì anh không nhớ cái gì cả. Ông
Model data.
anh sẽ không nhớ gì cả. Nãy giờ ông không muốn làm.
Metadata
anh không hiểu.
structures.
Vậy mãi xong để ông ấy làm em
Đây và đăng tải chi phí đây. Cái hiểu rồi. Anh thì xa là một
số.
Okay. So it should be .earth. That's it. Excellent. So now look for this. Yep. So that should be terrain data, terrain, Hawaii, features.
đăng tải chi phí.
Dạ vâng thì ông nói rồi. Anh ừ.
Train data.
Cứ phải hai cậu đấy nó cầm ngày dưới cưới cũng phải em nó cưới nó cưới gì đâu.
Okay. Do you have you're still installing, right? You're installing the software, right? So here is the file. So here is your point file right here. That shape file. And all I do, let me show you how I do this. I could close this. Let me delete it out of here. And all I got to do is just find that file and drag it in there. So I'm going to latest model data, and it is terrain. Shoot, not there. Here, model data, latest. That's not it. Terrain data, terrain configuration. Yeah, let me look at it where it is. It's in here. But wherever this is defined, terrain data, terrain, Hawaii features. Terrain, Hawaii features, and then I find that file in here. Just copy, paste. There's the file, so I just drag it over here, and it's open. And all that is just a bunch of points. So I could literally just go here, click on it, and you can see that it's skyscraper 25 stories metal blue. Okay? And then I'm going to go back to terrain data, model data, structures. See if I can find that. Skyscraper. SKY. 5-story metal blue. Let me see if I can find it. Skyscraper. Gray, blue. Okay, there it is. Let's look inside this one. Well, this is a binary file, so I can't read that. So these I think are just compressed. And then all you would need to do is like copy coordinates, select feature, geocentric. I'm figuring this part out. I'm not exactly sure on. But this is the actual what that is all about. The 2 and 3D geocentric building position. So I'm sure there's a way to add a new point here. So I might have to play with this a little bit. But those points are defined in here. Open attribute table. Okay. So this is the table. Select filter. Toggle editing mode. There we go. Add point feature. All right, so I'm just going to add a point. Okay. You see what I'm doing? And then let's say length. This stuff I'm guessing. I don't really know. But so what I did, just to recap, I went to Ala Moana, and we closed this one. alamoana.earth. The buildings in Ala Moana are defined with this shapefile. So I opened up the shapefile, and I got all this other stuff here. So let me delete all this stuff. Appearance, there we go. So here's the .shapefile. It's a binary file. I took that file and I dragged it into the software you're downloading right now. And then I went here and I said toggle edit mode. Let's close this. I went here and I said toggle edit mode, which is that button. That brought me here. And now I can add a new feature. So right click, and then I could give it some information. So the goal is basically for it to call on that and take your model and put it right there. Right? So if he sends me that file, I could just make sure it works. But I think we're like right there. It should be easy. So what I would do is take a terrain that works, edit the shapefile using the tool, add a new point, and then tie your building to that point. Okay, it's very easy. Then your characters will, rather than just pass right through, they'll walk up, because this is a part of this, and it's represented as a single mesh. So if it's an object, it's just gonna pass right through it. So object, they pass right through, unless they're vortex models, which have physics. So the more physics you have, the slower things are. But if you say this is part of the train, then you're only doing this. You're only ground clamping in the Z direction, which is easy. So we'll figure it out. Don't feel like I'm gonna leave and not figure it out. We'll make it happen. You'll get a building that you can walk up and down. Let me see if I can get that building. I don't know.
We have team break.
Well, let me find the building.
He have to wait for the download.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, you guys have a break. I'm gonna continue figuring this out. Makes sense?
yeah, we understand, but we want you to have break.
I don't need a break. I'm good, man. Let me just get this file and we'll go from there. I'll get the file, I'll put it in the train, and I'll show you how to do it. But I have to figure it all out. What's going on, good looking?
Is last April we have a meeting about the training course.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
In this I send you about content with customer care. Years that we delete training course have 8 8 day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what I got. 8 days.
from
Is it 4 and 4 or is it 5 and 3?
4
Okay, so no work tomorrow.
if
Friday no work.
Friday no work, then have only 7
Why?
because one because to today is 4 day.
Yeah. But it was the way I understood it in the meeting. I mean, I don't care. I'll work tomorrow if you want. So it'll be 5 days this week and then 3 days the next.
Yeah,
Okay?
5 days this week
Yeah.
and for the
And 3 days the
3
next.
days.
Yeah. Or it could be 4 days and 4 days.
This means we will training to the Thursday next week. 4 day.
Yeah. Or whatever. Does that work?
Because
I don't care. You tell me. I'm just going by the schedule I see.
when you return to the USA.
I think the current time is
Friday or
Friday.
Friday. This means the last is Thursday.
Yeah.
4 day this week and 4 day next week.
Does that work? What you guys tell me? What did these guys want? Because I'm going by what I see on the schedule.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't matter. You tell me.
Anh bảo ông ấy cho mình xem cái lịch trình của mình ông mới nhận được.
Can I see your schedule with you receive?
Thứ sáu mới về.
Thứ sáu mới về. Ông bảo là
This one. But I changed it because before this was 1 through 4, and this was 6, 7, 8, 9. I think this was 9. I changed it because
okay.
so I don't care. Like you guys tell me.
Okay.
1 through
because,
4.
I don't have any information about the
Anh còn
schedule.
phụ thuộc vào lịch của anh nữa. Chứ 4 ngày
Yeah,
này 4 ngày kia.
You guys tell me. But if you want a break, for Friday.
You want a break in Friday, so you change schedule.
Yeah, whatever you want to do. But it might be good because what I'll do is I'll take Friday and I'll figure out the terrain
Okay.
and I'll figure out the models.
Okay, because I discussed with Steve about the time, but he don't provide me.
Oh, I
send me information.
I sent
about
him this. I guess he didn't send this to you.
So okay.
You tell me, man. So this
You're good.
what Friday will do, it'll benefit you
Okay.
because if I'm going Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm gonna be in here dealing with stuff. But if I take Friday, I can work Friday and figure out other stuff.
Okay.
That makes sense?
Okay. This one 4.
Okay.
Okay. 4.
Sound good. He's excited.
Okay. Ông ấy bảo là tại vì lúc đầu em vẫn tưởng là thứ năm mới về đúng không?
Đúng rồi.
Yeah.
Nhưng mà thực ra là thứ sáu mới về. Và cái buổi cuối cùng là thứ năm tuần sau. Tức là ông muốn cân bằng 4 buổi tuần này và 4 buổi tuần sau.
Nhưng mà mình cứ đang nghĩ là cái này là thứ sáu tuần này đúng không? Thứ sáu tuần này thì là ông vẫn cố định mình đấy à? Hay là ông có muốn
Ông đổi rồi.
ông ấy đổi là tuần sau ông ấy lại đến thứ tư tuần sau đúng không?
Không, vậy thứ năm chứ. Thứ hai, thứ ba, thứ tư, thứ năm mà.
Thế nhưng
Tuần này thì ông đang làm 2 nghỉ.
không hiểu. Em biết rồi, nhưng vấn đề đấy là phải phụ thuộc vào các anh bên này nhưng các anh bên này vẫn đang nghĩ là lịch đến
Để em chơi xem.
quan trọng là phụ thuộc vào bên này thì không làm được quá này.
There we go.
Thì theo anh phân có ấy không thì bọn ông sắp xếp bố em ai.
He don't know he don't know you change the schedule from 5-3 to 4-4. So
Yeah, if that's the way it was, we'll stick with 5-3.
okay.
But you guys tell me. You tell me what you want to do. I think 4-4 would be beneficial.
Okay. So I will decide with customer.
Yeah, but if the customer doesn't want that,
yeah.
you tell me.
Yeah.
I'm easy, man.
Ông ở ông chuyển qua để trong
Yeah, but that's what I was originally told, 4-4. So
Okay.
yeah, it works for me, man. I'm easy. There we go. I'm surprised he could have sent that file. Strength all. That's TAE. So it's got all these different things. Yeah, I got it. It's good.
Gọi để chốt lịch sớm đi không thì tắt để gọi là nếu số thứ hai em
Air data, no team, latest, model data, structures. Put this in YE. Structures, buildings. Here we go. That here. There. FBX maps.
Em thì thoải mái nó rất hay so không với em thì chúng là thoải mái.
FBX. Let me see if I can talk to Slack.
What is
It's a way you communicate.
just like messenger.
Yeah.
First time I heard about Slack.
Let's see if Yvonne's awake. You know what I could do? I could have Yvonne. Oh, it's like 4 in the morning for me.
Oh, yes.
It's
Oh, I think I figured out why your computer connected to the internet so slow. You haven't changed the religion, man.
I haven't done what?
change the religion and the date and time.
Oh yeah, yeah. I don't have control over that.
No, on your computer.
I don't have control. I can't do that.
What do you mean you don't have control?
I don't have control over that. I can't change it.
Why?
It's a security thing.
Oh, so that is your company computer.
I can't put
not
in.
the old company.
Yeah.
Not the old,
Yeah.
Why you need to have strict rule like that?
It's because of the stuff we do.
Yeah, I understand that, but what about the date and time? It's just the date and time.
Man, I don't know. I don't. I get tired of asking questions, man. So. Yeah, let me see if I can figure out a way to get this on there. Length, skyscraper type, find, rotation, height, width, rotation, length, weight, head. Okay. And that's defined by a point. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be hard. I think this is just some text file that we need to edit. But 15, we'll do 15 here. This will be the length. Width. 6. 88. Type. That. Zero. That. Each. Yes.
Here is the answer after discussion with the one.
Okay.
So, okay.
Okay. That works.
Yeah.
And honestly, I can come in. So look what I've done here. So I've added this. This is a new point that I added on the map, and then I'm trying to associate the model with what he gave me to it. And then I can say update all. Error occurred, of course. Rotation. All right, let me save this out. Save edits.
This translate feature of software.
Yeah. So
Dynamics.
literally, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what I get out of this.
Okay.
We'll see. So I'm going to close this. No. Let me just try this. There's probably a good way to do it. I'm probably not doing it the right way. Force to simulation model set. But this should be really easy. Oh man.
Okay.
All I do is sit on my ass.
I understand about your schedule.
Yeah. I mean, that's
So
the one I came up with, but Steve, I guess, never sent it. But does that work? As long as it worked for you guys. Like, honestly, if tomorrow you say, like, hey, we need you to come in, that's fine with me.
okay. Not he don't understand and he tell me that you will off in tomorrow and the last session will be in Wednesday. So
The last session will be what?
yeah,
What would you say about the last session?
no. This yeah, wait.
Okay, I think this is what I did. Actually, I'll do this. I'll change it to something weird. Downloads. Here. Here. Buildings. Buildings, Half-Life, PNG. Where these are. Dad didn't understand what you wanted to move tomorrow's session to next Thursday. I mean, so we're good or what?
No.
Everybody happy?
Happy. After I discuss with Mr. Quân and he agree
Okay.
with his
Okay.
new schedule.
Okay.
Okay.
So I've got what is it, 319. I'm gonna continue to play with this and try to figure it out. You guys are, I don't know if you're getting anything off of the streaming here, but what I'm trying to do is add different buildings to this map here. So I did add that there. I don't know how good that is. Let's go here. I could zoom out and do a new one and just kind of give it some interesting information. So this one, I'm not going to use that existing one. I'm going to see if I can, if what I'm doing actually makes any sense. So rotation, I'll say 20, length, I'll say 50, 50, height, I'll say 50, type, let's go in here and we'll just find something.
Sáng nay lúc thuê QR QR thì nghe tôi lên.
Em mãi lúc sau mới lên lên ạ. Sáng nay em ngồi nghe cái đấy cùng anh Tuấn này. Mình nghe cái đấy gọi là cái gì nhỉ anh Tuấn nhỉ? Cái sáng nay ấy tập huấn chuyển đổi số mà. Mãi chiều nay em mới được lên.
Đây là có người gọi số đây.
Down at scraper.
Cô em hôm nay là cái gì kia?
Đó.
Cái mắt.
Dạ vâng. Cái gắn vị trí map.
Hay thì đợi đến bao giờ chưa được mở.
Thích nhỉ?
Right. Copy. Trying to figure this out. Type, paste, hit OK. There we go. All right. Save. Save edits. Okay. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add a building. So you see how I've got all these skyscrapers here? I'm adding a building far out. Is that my building there? I'm going to try to add one far out here. I hope it's not in the ground. All right, let's close this. Actually, no. File, terrain, close terrain. File, terrain, open terrain, Ala Moana. Let's see what it does. So this, by changing this terrain, difference between the simulated and that'll be over here. Yeah, let me, I'll have to continue to play with this. I think I'm really close. So what I did, I took your file and I'm referencing it here. I just need to load it. I need to figure it out. It's like something I haven't done before, but I kind of know how it works. So let me talk to one of our guys, and I think we're like right there, man. So basically, I'm going to modify this file, and this is the shape file. So this is actually file open recent open structure. That's this file here, and dot earth. So this is, I've been modifying this, and I've added these at the bottom. But this should be really easy. Really easy. I'm gonna hit the restroom. I'll be right back.
Em đâu đấy? Em đâu đấy?
But good job doing everything else. I hope you're happy.
Happy.
Yeah. So after 4 days. So I think after 4 days, I feel like you kind of got this. Why is this taking so long? Yeah, it's because that's your wife.